Let's prove that middle point of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equidistant from the vertices. Let's draw a right angle triangle. So we draw an angle O that measures 90 degrees and then the hypotenuse. So we did complete drawing a right angle triangle O, A, B. Middle point of the hypotenuse. Let's mark M to be the middle point of the hypotenuse. Is equidistant from the vertices. Once M is the middle point, AM is definitely equal to MB. What the question says is that even OM is exactly equal to AM. Once again, OM is exactly equal to AM. Why should it be so? Well, it's happened, or rather it's so because OAB is a right angle triangle and we need to prove it. Observe that OA can be written as simply as A vector, or A vector is the position vector of A and B vector is the position vector of B, of the point B. Then OM must be equal to A plus B by 2. By midpoint formula, OM must be equal to A plus B by 2. What about AM? Vector AM must be equal to OA minus OM. Sorry, MA must be equal to, moving from M to A, that is same as OA minus OM. OA minus OM, that is simply triangle law. And OA is A, OM is A plus B by 2. Let's simplify this out. To obtain 2A minus A is just A, so A minus B by 2. Okay, we got MA equal to A minus B by 2, OA equal to A vector, OB equal to B vector. An obvious question once again is why should it be that OM equal to MA? So to prove, magnitude of OM must be equal to magnitude of MA. They are not equal its vector as such, but OM equal to MA, by that I mean that their magnitude are equal. Why should it be so? It should be so because triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. That is, OM is A plus B by 2. The magnitude of A plus B by 2 must be equal to magnitude of A minus B by 2. That is, if they are equal, then their square should also be equal. We can cancel 2 as well out. A plus B whole thing square equal to A minus B whole thing square. Now, we know that, of course we know. What is that we know? Comma, magnitude of A square is same as A dot A. And so, magnitude of A plus B whole thing square equal to A plus B dot A plus B. We can apply distributive law and say that this must be equal to A dot A plus A dot B plus B dot A plus B dot B. A dot A is A square, A dot B is same as B dot A, so 2 times A dot B. B dot B is B square. Now we know that somewhere we need to say that A is perpendicular to B, otherwise OM will not be equal to MA, magnitude wise of course. So A dot B is 0. Why? Because since A and B are perpendicular to each other. A dot B is 0. So A plus B square is nothing but A square plus B square. Again, magnitude of A minus B square equal to A minus B dot A minus B. Again dot product is distributive, and we can write this as A square minus 2A dot B plus B square. Again A is perpendicular to B, so this is simply equal to A square plus B square. So A plus B whole thing square equal to A minus B whole thing square. Those two are equal, and from there we conclude that A plus B by 2 is exactly equal to A minus B by 2 magnitude wise. So OM, the magnitude of OM is exactly equal to magnitude of MA.